Hi, I'm Mark Polk with RV Education 101, and I'd like to welcome you to another segment of RV 101, Understanding Your RV. Today's topic is the RV air conditioner gasket. We're going to discuss what the air conditioner gasket is, what it does, and we're going to demonstrate replacing the old gasket with the new and improved gasket by Steele Rubber products. Let's get started. When RVs are constructed, there is typically a 14 by 14 inch opening cut in the roof that is pre-wired and intended for a rooftop air conditioner. The majority of RVs come with one roof-mounted AC unit, and some larger RVs have 2 or 3 units. When the air conditioner is mounted to the RV roof, the only thing preventing water leaks and other problems is a foam gasket. As the RV ages, so does the air conditioner gasket. Sometimes, depending on the RV roof construction, the weight of an air conditioner causes the roof to sag a little. This sag in the roof collects and holds water around the AC unit and the gasket. Eventually, the gasket is going to be compromised by the elements and allow water to get through to the interior of the RV. It only takes a minute to inspect the area around the interior of the AC unit. Feel around the area for any dampness and look for signs of staining. If you catch a leak in time, you can save lots of money on costly repair bills, and it's not difficult to replace the AC gasket. That's what we're going to do now, but first you need a replacement gasket, and this is important. The majority of replacement gaskets on the market are not one piece. They are glued or the joints are mitered, and that can cause the gasket to fail or leak. This air conditioner gasket by Steele Rubber products, made in the USA, is a high-quality one-piece EPDM replacement gasket. The unique closed-cell EPDM sponge rubber yields higher UV, ozone, and weather-resistant durability, and the pressure-sensitive adhesive backing makes it easy to use and install. Let's install it right now. Installation instructions. Make sure the power is disconnected from the AC unit. Follow the RV and AC manufacturer instructions for removing and installing the AC unit. If the AC heat pump unit does not have a channel where the gasket sits, marking along the outside edge of the existing gasket before removing it will help guide the placement of the new gasket. Completely remove the old gasket. Make sure the mounting surface is clean, dry, and free of any sharp edges or burrs. Carefully remove the adhesive backing on your new Steele Rubber Products gasket and adhere it to the bottom of the AC unit. If there is no gasket channel, use the marks made earlier to help with placement. Press firmly in place. When you reassemble the AC unit, do not over-tighten the mounting bolts. Refer to the AC manual for proper installation guidelines. Do not use any type of liquid, tube sealant, or silicone. The new gasket provides a compression seal on its own. Hopefully this video helps you understand more about the importance of routinely inspecting and replacing the AC gasket when it's bad. If you don't feel comfortable replacing the gasket yourself, have the work done by a qualified service facility and tell them you want a Steele Rubber Products gasket to do the job. For more information, visit rv.steelerubber.com. Happy camping.